Hey Jay, do you want to play cards with me?
Nah, not today.
Okay.
Maybe another time.
Okay.
Man, what's up?
What's up, guys?
Yo, John, over the chips.
Yo, Jay's driving. That's distracting, man.
Oh, yo, by the way, turn up some music.
Yo, I'll do it. Stop reaching across Jay. You're being distracting. Stupid, man.
Yo, Jay, do you have Linda's number? Can you send her a text? Tell her we're on our way.
Yeah, I got you.
Nah, man, don't do that. It's dangerous. Buckle up, phone down.
Nah, it's cool. I know it's dangerous, but you know,
Nah, not even this one time.
it's okay just this one time.